I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 6.4 from question number 3. So what is question number 3? There's one pictures. Okay. So this is A, B, C and this is D. Okay. So it's saying A, B, C and D, B, C are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at point O, then show that what we have to show, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equals to AO by DO. Okay, so let me find out area of triangle ABC. So what is triangle of area of triangle ABC? For that, let me do one construction. Otherwise, we can't find out area of triangle ABC because the area of any triangle is equals to half into base into height. So base we can find out, but height we don't have any height here. Okay. So for that, we will do one construction as AP perpendicular to BC, so that we can find out the base of this triangle ABC, right? And from here we will draw another perpendicular on BC as DM. Okay, so what is the construction? Construction is AP perpendicular to BC and another one is DM perpendicular to BC. Okay. So what is area of triangle ABC? Triangle ABC half into base. Base is BC and height. Height is what? AP. Correct? Perpendicular is the height. Fine. Now another one, area of triangle DBC equal to what? Half into base. Base is the same, right? BC and height. What is the height of this triangle? DBC, this DM. Okay, so what is the ratio of these two? Area of ABC by area of DBC. What will be the ratio? Half into BC into AP by half into BC into DM, right? That means this cancel, so that is equals to AP by DM. Okay. If we are able to prove कि AP by DM equals to AO by DO, so from these two equation we can say that कि area of ABC equals by area of DBC equals to this, correct? The same thing we have to prove. So this we have to prove or show. Okay, so now I will try to make equals of AO by DO equals to AP by DM. Okay, so where is AO? AO is here, DO is also here, and AP by DM. AP is here, DM is here. If we are able to prove these two triangles similar, then the corresponding sides will be proportional. So in that case, we can able to prove this equals to this, right? Because these two both sides belongs to these two triangles, right? Now we will take triangle APO and triangle DMO. Okay, in these two triangles, this equals to this, right? Why? Because of vertically opposite angle. So we can write it AOP equals to angle DOM, right? And also this one is 90 degree in both the triangle. Means angle APO equals to angle DMO equals to 90 degree. Correct? So the third angle will automatically be same. So according to angle similarity criteria, triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO. Right? So if these two triangles are similar, means what? The ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can say that AP by dm equals to PO by MO, right? How we are taking this? These angles and these angles are similar. So opposite of this angle is AP. Opposite of this angle is MD equals to PO is the base. So PO equals PO by MO, right? So these two are same, correct? So now see this PM by DM equals to AO. This AO. Okay, we are taking third side also. So what is the third side? AO by DO, right? Now from equation 1, okay, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equals to AP by DM. So instead of AP by DM, can we write down this AO by DO, right? Because these two are equals. So here we can write down AO by DO. Make it as 2 and write here from equation 2, correct? So the same thing we have to prove, right? So this is proved now, correct? Okay. Now question number 4. What is question number 4? If the area of two similar triangles, that means we have two similar triangle. Let's say first one is ABC and second one is PQR. Okay, so it's given, okay, we have two similar triangle. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so prove that they are congruent. So we have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. How we can prove these two triangles are congruent? If AB equals to PQ, BC equals to QR and AC equals to PR. If we are able to prove these corresponding sides are equal, so we can say that these two triangles are congruent, right? Now, since ABC is congruent, similar to triangle PQR, that means from theorem 6.6, area of ABC, triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equals to what? Square of the ratio of sides of means AB by PQ square. What theorem 6.6 says? Okay, the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So what are the corresponding side? AB and PQ, and second one is BC by QR square, and third one is AC by PR square. Okay, so the ratio of these two triangles equals to is equals to the ratio of their square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, right? Okay, now since they are telling also, it's one more thing given, ki area of, if the area of the two similar triangles are equal, means also given area of ABC equals to area of triangle PQR. This is also given. Okay, so instead of area of ABC, can we write down same thing, area of PQR, okay, by area of, this is same PQR. Okay, and here we can write down the same thing, AB by PQ square equals to BC by QR square equals to AC by PR square, right? So this goes, because these are same, so we can write down 1 equals to AB by PQ square equals to BC by QR square equals to AC by PR square, right? Now we are taking this 2 only, okay? So 1 equals to AB by PQ square, okay? Here also we can write down square. So 1 square is also 1. So 1 square equal to AB by PQ square, okay? Now we can write down 1 equals to AB by PQ, right? Now we can also write down PQ will go this side. So PQ equals to AB, right? If we will take this and this, 1 equals to BC by QR square. So same calculation we will do. So from here we can find out BC equals to QR, right? Similarly, we can just write it. Similarly, no need to calculate it again. Similarly, we can say that ki AC equals to PR, right? Now we will see these two triangles ABC and PQR. AB equals to PR, this, BC equals to QR, and AB equals to QR. AB equals to QR, okay? Now we can say कि that sides, corresponding sides are equals कि we can just write down since corresponding sides are equal, okay? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, correct? The same thing we have to prove, right? So this is proved now, right? So if you have any doubt, you can write your comments in the comment section, okay? Thanks for watching. Thank you.